How can I check if my Ring camera is compatible with my Wi-Fi network?
Hey there! In this video, we'll be discussing how you can check if your Ring camera is compatible with your Wi-Fi network. It's essential to ensure compatibility to guarantee a smooth and reliable connection. So, let's get started.
Review the Ring camera requirements.
The first step is to review the Ring camera requirements provided by the manufacturer. Different Ring camera models have specific requirements that must be met to ensure compatibility. These requirements typically include information about the supported Wi-Fi standards, frequency bands, and network security protocols.
Find your Wi-Fi network information.
Next, you'll need to find your Wi-Fi network information. This includes the network name, SSID, and the network password, if applicable. You can usually find this information on the back or bottom of your Wi-Fi router. If you can't locate it, check the user manual or contact your Internet Service Provider, ISP, for assistance.
Check the Ring camera's Wi-Fi compatibility.
To check if your Ring camera is compatible with your Wi-Fi network, you'll need to follow these steps. 1. Power on your Ring camera and make sure it's in setup mode. 2. Open the Ring mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. 3. Tap on the camera device you want to check for compatibility. 4. Look for the Device Health or Device Settings option within the app. 5. In the device settings, find the Wi-Fi or Network section. 6. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect your Ring camera to from the available list. 7. The app will display a compatibility status indicating whether your Ring camera can connect to the selected Wi-Fi network or not.
Troubleshooting compatibility issues.
If your Ring camera is not compatible with your Wi-Fi network, don't worry. There are a few things you can try to troubleshoot the compatibility issues. Ensure your Wi-Fi network meets the camera's requirements. Check if your Wi-Fi network meets the required standards, such as 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz frequency bands and supported security protocols, e.g., WPA2. Update your Wi-Fi router's firmware. Visit your router manufacturer's website to check if any firmware updates are available. Updating the firmware can sometimes resolve compatibility issues. Move your Wi-Fi router closer. If the camera's signal strength is weak, try moving your Wi-Fi router closer to the camera's installation location or use Wi-Fi extenders to improve coverage. Contact Ring customer support. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting options and are still experiencing compatibility issues, reach out to Ring customer support for further assistance. That wraps up our video on how to check if your Ring camera is compatible with your Wi-Fi network. Remember to review the Ring camera requirements, find your Wi-Fi network information, and use the Ring mobile app to check for compatibility. If you encounter any issues, try troubleshooting steps like verifying your Wi-Fi network meets the requirements or contacting Ring customer support. I hope this information has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.